Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. I want to talk to you about the pumpkin juice stuff that I got a couple weeks back and I started using. And so I kind of did an experiment the first time I applied it, and then I went ahead and do it. I'll explain it all as we go along here. But I figured that also since pumpkins and cantaloupes are kind of similar as far as their viney plants, should work on both of them. And so I haven't used any on the cantaloupe yet. So I'm kind of using them kind of as a control. But let me show you what happened here. All right, so this is one of the ones I put it on the first time I applied it. And it's doing fairly well compared to everything else that was out there. And one of the other ones I put it on here, this one here, and then this one here. However, there was another one that was in here that the rabbits got. So, and then the ones on the other side here, I waited a week before I added it to it. So this has had it on for 3 weeks. These out here have had it on for 2 weeks. So they are doing okay, but they're not doing as good as the ones that had it on a week more. So as you can tell, there's a difference between it for having it a week. Go over and show this one too. So you can see both of them together. You know, that extra week there is really helped it get a jump start on growing. So anyway, so I think that the pumpkin juice seems to be working pretty good, and it's I'm going to continue to use it, and so hopefully it'll continue to get these things growing, and I'll have some good sized pumpkins for the grandsons. So anyways, and just quick look around the garden. I got a couple more of the lids on here. I'm changing the way I'm doing these lid tops here. I'm cutting the hole out bigger, and I'll have an update on that tomorrow. But I'm going to be cutting all the rest of these ones here with a little bit bigger opening on it. It makes it easier to get it on and off, and I'll explain all that tomorrow. But as you can see, pumpkin's doing okay, and I got to get out here and with a hula hoe and take out all these weeds that are popping up here recently. All right, there. I hope that helps you all out. See you later.